y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together. We're back.
We have returned
For the final countdown.
the final countdown. Okay, all right. So this is the dirty old man.
I mean, like a sugar daddy, dirty old man.
Well, that's gonna be up for interpretation.
Ooh, child. All right, let's get to it.
Okay, so we are going to run through the ingredients. We have several things that I think we need to taste beforehand, and then we will assemble like the Avengers.
Avengers! Assemble.
And figure out if we like this or not. All
All right.
So you're gonna need a mezcal.
El Silencio is what we're using.
We're gonna go ahead and use our Don Julio 70 Cristalano. You're also going to need what is called a red chili infused Aperol. Pineapple juice, you're gonna need it.
No.
Agave nectar.
Mm-hmm.
Pechaud's bitters.
Mm-hmm.
Lime juice. I don't know if I said that before. And okay, they said a dehydrated lime wheel and I missed that part. So
Use what you got.
what I have is dehydrated lime slices.
Fair enough.
Since I have the tequila over here, I guess I'll start with that.
What's it?
And this is gonna be 0.75.
So that means for y'all liquor mad people, just a little bit off the top.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit.
Let me just grab a quick napkin.
Okay. Crystal
Um,
Wow.
Yeah, and you can go ahead and start with the mezcal because it's the same amount.
All right. El Silencio.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
That was a little donk-a-donk.
What's up? Oh, okay. My God.
My Jesus.
We might need Jesus after this. I don't know how this is gonna go.
Ooh, that chili stuff. I'm feeling the back of my throat.
Yeah.
Feel like I gotta do up.
Yuck.
Yeah.
Okay. Speaking of which, okay, 0.75 of this.
Why everything is here clear, dog?
We ain't about to be clear. That's too much.
You sure? What was it? 0.75?
Yeah. And it wasn't too much, but it's too much. You know what I mean? When something is actually the amount, but you just regret it.
I hear you. I hear you.
My God, today. Okay. All right.
Oh.
Wow. Okay. So 3/4 ounce of lime juice.
Okay.
Noticing a trend. Sorry, 0.75. So.
0.75. Liquor math. Little off the top for y'all liquor math people.
Look at maths.
0.75.
That lime juice been getting a workout, chap.
Mm-hmm.
Noticing a trend here.
Yep. Sure do. Sure.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
We are also going to do 0.75 of our pineapple juice.
There is a very good trend here. Equal parts, it sounds like.
Yes, it does. Oh, I take. It's like
It's lingering.
it's lingering. Could I have the agave? Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
Half an ounce of this guy. All right.
Oh, you wanna? Oh, I thought you was gonna eyeball it.
No.
Oh no, my ice cubes are crackling.
Oh,
I don't know how I feel
Lord.
about that. Half ounce. Ooh.
What is happening? All
All
right.
right.
And then the Pechauds.
Good luck with that.
Says 2 dashes of this, child.
Just runneth over.
Because it kind of runs. It's not really a dash. Here. I need that for the outside of the bottle. All right, so basically at this point we are going to shake and chill.
And this is the dirty old man.
This is the dirty old man.
Maybe the sugar daddies might like this. I don't know,
but I still have that Campari / Aperol taste in my mouth, and maybe I shouldn't have tasted it before.
I'm gonna shake this well because the agave.
Oh, good point.
All right. Ooh, child. It's giving me Aperol feels.
I mean, it has it in it.
Dang.
Dehydrated lime.
Lemon.
I said lime and I meant lemon. You are correct.
I know. Jesus Christ.
They asked for a lime. We had lemon. That's what y'all need to know. That was a good one. Yeah. All right. Well, friend, shall we?
Cheers. Are you befuddled?
I'm confusion.
Befuddled. Befuddled for me, confusion for you. I feel like we're all in this together.
I don't hate it.
I don't either.
I'm confused.
It's wonderful. Yeah, this is wonderful. I like this.
Is it your turn?
I don't know. I'll let you go first. It's your birthday month.
Okay.
Ladies first.
Listen, just purely based off of the red chili Aperol, I was prepared to hate this. Because I don't really like Aperol. And then now we're talking red chili, which I'm not against spicy. But also I don't taste it in that manner.
Everything equal parts balanced out together.
Yes.
And it came cohesive.
Yes. So,
But separately, I would
separately
not
was
recommend.
garbage.
It's garbage, garbaggio.
Absolute trash. Raccoon trash.
Wow, raccoon trash.
Yeah,
Oh.
separately. But together, again, the cohesiveness of all of it, and it does have a lot of ingredients to it. This is not bad. I mean, I would drink this again.
I would too.
I would actually drink this again.
I like this.
I would give this a solid 8.
Now I'm thinking I don't like Aperol, but then Campari is similar to Aperol, but I think I'm gonna try the Campari next time.
So here's my theory, and what I've discovered is this. Okay, so a lot of times what happens is you taste something for the first time, and you make a decision on if you like it or not based off of that, like right away. And it's very hard for you to change your mind about whether you're going to try it again and give it another chance, because like that lasting impression, it almost like sways any thought. Right. So sometimes you have to give things like a second and a third try, and sometimes in different variations, to see if you can actually try it out. Because I've had a Negroni before, which uses Campari, and Negronis are delicious.
Never had it, but I heard great things
So at some point, I'll have you over. My friend Rebecca makes an amazing Negroni.
First of all, Rebecca just needs to come over for girls.
Negroni. Rebecca makes amazing cocktails, and she's very creative.
So when she's going to be a guest on the show?
We need to get her on, because
very much
she also makes like a lot of her simple syrups and stuff. Like she'll just be like, I made like a lavender simple syrup today, and I'm like, okay, bitch.
Fancy. Extend the pinky.
Right. So my point in saying all of that is, as we grow older and our palates expand, we do need to give things a second and a third chance sometimes.
Not that dirty martini, not a bloody,
I understand.
Bloody Mary.
Oh no, the bloody. Listen,
no Jaegerita, no nothing Jaeger, nothing absinthe. No.
But again, I've actually given those 2 or 3 tries.
No.
To be fair, no. So I've given Jaeger at least 2 or 3 tries in my lifetime. I've given a Bloody Mary at least 2 or 3 tries in my lifetime. No matter what, it's been garbage for me, right? That's fine. But my point is sometimes you do need to try things out because you might actually surprise yourself and like it. I'm really interested about this Pechaud's bitters because there's a lot of recipes that we try that say that we need to use it and we could never find it. Remember, we could never find it, so we always substituted it with aromatic bitters, which is I find to be a better equivalent. This gives me a little bit of that Jaeger feel, but it also makes me want to go back to some of the cocktails we've done before that have required Pechaud, and see like what that tastes like because it might actually be really good. And I don't get this like pronounced in here.
From off the nose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's me.
What was your number though?
I think I said 8.
8? I think you gave it, but I'm glad you know that you have an 8.
I think I said it though. I just think I wrapped a lot of words around it.
Real tight.
Okay.
For me, this is definitely great. Definitely had to see this process all the way through because I was not a believer throughout the process based off of certain ingredients that we just tasted.
I know.
But overall, I'm gonna give this a solid 8. It still got it has like a little something to it.
There's a tartness, which is the Campari.
But overall, it's definitely a well-sounded drink that I would definitely drink again, even if it's a restaurant or whatever. But it's just, for me, it's a solid 8. Like, you can't, I recommend trying it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
But, yep, I think.
Now, I will say, a couple of the cocktails we made today took a couple of days in preparation, right? Like there's some things that you had to do beforehand.
Yeah.
You guys don't always see that from us when we're filming because like obviously we don't have the time to just like wait around and show you all of that. Right. We were on live though yesterday and we did kind of like talk about these things. Let us know if you'd be interested in kind of like a little bit of the behind the scenes sometimes of like when we're prepping for like shoot day and what that entails. To be honest, to make either the Earl Grey syrup, which was I think a episode ago, or this, the red chili infused Aperol, in my case / Campari, it wasn't difficult. It just requires a little bit of extra time. But I do think that what I've discovered is sometimes when we take shortcuts, I think it shortchanges the experience.
Exactly.
And so sometimes we're like, yes, it's gonna take the extra time to make sure that we're gonna
get the full experience.
Get the full experience and be able to actually evaluate that particular recipe on how it was designed to be constructed.
Definitely agree.
Right?
Definitely agree.
So anywho, would you try this? Let us know. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Also, I'm sorry to cut you off,
go
but
ahead.
while I'm thinking about it, let us know, like, we're coming to the world of doing lives more frequently, and right now we're currently just, having great conversation, whatever we're sipping on, whatever. But if you want to be like a special guest and you want to like talk about a cocktail or give us a cocktail or whatever offhand, please let us know, and we can. Beforehand, we can get the ingredients so we can drink it with you and whatnot, and you can tell people over the audience. But typically our lives last for an hour and a half-ish, maybe, sometimes 2 if it's good.
Sometimes, I think yesterday was like 2.5.
Yeah. We possibly will do some giveaways in the future.
Yes.
So just stay tuned, but definitely let us know. Like we're all for stuff other than like stuff like accents, Jägermeister, black licorice, anything that requires outside. Listen, just don't set us up, but we're all for trying things out. We're having an open mind. Mo's still her.
Yes.
I just do what she does, like big sister, But whatever.
There's definitely some things I'm very apprehensive about, but I'm
very scared.
But I end up trying them on the show because I'm like, well,
you never know.
You gotta like kind of give things a chance in order to see like
and
if you truly don't like it, right? Because sometimes if you're just going off an ingredients list, you're like, this is nasty, right? But then you put everything together and you're like,
that's what makes the world at the end of the day.
Yes.
Everybody has different taste buds and different stuff, and It's always great to explore. So
Yes. So that is a very long-winded explanation of just saying, like, just because it has some ingredients in it that you're like, ew, questionable, doesn't mean you should totally write it off. Give things a chance. Try it out. It's not guaranteed you're gonna like it, but at the end of the day, you won't know unless you try it. Okay. So real quick before we wrap up, we tried, I think, 4 cocktails. What would you rank those?
I'll let you go first since it's your birthday month. I gotta think about it for a second.
All right, so I would say Breakfast Daisy was my favorite.
Are you starting from the top to the bottom?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do my favorites to my least favorites.
Okay, all right, bet.
So I would rank Breakfast Daisy number 1. I would rank the Dirty Old Man number 2. I would rank Caipirinha 3rd, and then the Dirty Tequila 4th, even though I actually didn't necessarily dislike the Dirty Tequila. The Caipirinha, I'm still giving a 3rd place to because I've had better versions of it. So that's why I can't totally put it at the bottom.
But you know what the potential is for it.
Because I know what the potential is. Yeah.
Fair enough. I think we're in alignment. So I'm gonna go with the not this one. What was the other one?
Breakfast Daisy?
Breakfast Daisy first, and then I'm gonna go with the Dirty Old Man. We all know we like Dirty Old Man sometimes. And then the third one will be Capalot.
Caipirinha.
I'm glad you told me that because I was gonna say Caparana. I don't know. So Caparine, whatever. And then of course the final last that supposedly has to be placed on the list, even though it should be not on the list. With the Dirty Tequila. It's nasty.
I understand your apprehension.
It's not apprehension at this point. I'm disappointed and I don't like it. That's it. I said what I said.
That's fine, boo.
All right, moving on.
All right. So anyway, you should try all of these. You should let us know what you think. And again, we're in summertime, so let us know what your favorite summertime favorites are, so that we can maybe try it on a live, right? Or maybe even potentially next shoot. You never know. So anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, or ring that little dangly thing. You know what I'm saying?
Because how would you know?
Because how would you know? How do you know when we post up, huh? How would you know?
Right.
So with that, we'll see you next time. Stay lit, friends.